Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 16th to July the 18th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Kabaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, Aries, kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Aries, ang nakikita natin dito, bakit parang medyo hindi na parang merong drum roll tayong naririnig or yung puso natin talagang kinakabahan, mangyayari ba? Whatever this manifestation is, nai-stress tayo. Siguro because of we are overwhelmed with excitement or we are actually overwhelmed with the unknown. No, what's gonna happen? So there might be some decisions in here that you probably wanted to execute, no? Pero medyo nagpipigil tayo ng konti kasi what if? So we might be living in the what if situation. What if ganito, what if ganyan, no? Hindi tayo makausad, na-stress tayo. Baka kasi din na I think na naapektuhan na rin itong ating pagtulog, ano? So bakit ang daming hindi makatulog ngayon? It's because of the full moon. With the Devil card and the Seven of Swords. Iniisip ba natin na may nangyayari kay person, merong lihim na tinatago si person? Kasi parang pakiramdam natin, bigla tayong kinakabahan. It's either the kutob or this is the sinasabi natin, women's instinct. No, you think that there's something is changing. For a few numbers of you, you know what's happening, nabubulog-bulagan na lang. No, that's actually a different story. With the Nine of Wands, the Ten of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the Empress. So, yung sinasabi kong a different story, medyo daanan natin, sobrang sandali lang. Kasi kung ano pa yung pinaka small percentage na nangyayari, yung pa yung nangibabaw, medyo stress tayo kasi parang pakiramdam natin, hindi tayo makawala sa isang relationship na parang feeling natin, o hindi feeling, na sinabi ko nga, aware tayo dun sa nangyayari, na meron na karelasyon, ayaw lang nating marinig mismo sa tao. Ayaw lang nating i-confirm sa atin. Pero alam natin na may nangyayari. No? We're actually holding on to the connection even though that we feel na hindi tayo nabibigyan ng priority, na nafe-feel na siguro ayaw na sa atin. No? That's what I am seeing dun sa small percentage. Now, let's talk about the higher percentage ng nangyayari. You feel like probably your person is having a crush with someone. Wala pa namang relationship. Pero you feel na gusto mo sanang ikulong tong tao, no? In a sense na, well, babalik na naman tayo sa kabila. Baka ipakulong. Or ikulong yung tao na saan ka pupunta, no? There's something in here that you probably medyo nagiging makulit, no? Palatanong. Kasi it hurts. Instead of, bakit pakiramdam ko, Aries, medyo yung love, nahaluan na siya ng ines, ng galit, ng stress. The emotion here are actually mixed and things are piling up. Siguro tumitingin ka na sa salamin, you're feeling kumbaga kinukur tayo ng insecurities. Wala namang mali sa akin, hindi naman ako pangit, okay pa naman ako, no? Na-losyang ba ako? So you're looking something wrong about yourself, no? Which is, I think na probably you're just checking yourself or this is the insecurity that's kicking in, No, we don't know yet kasi wala pa naman dito yung buong cards. With the Seven of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hierophant, and the King of Pentacles. Um, may nagbabago pero parang fluctuating, no? Kapag naiisip mo na meron ba talagang kinakalanta itong person ko, kapag nalalaman mo na nalalaman niya na medyo naghihinala ka, bumabalik naman itong kasutan ni person. Dapat ba tayong maghinala? For a few numbers of you, I'm seeing a lot of red flags in here dahil nakakita ko ng mga options. The Strength card and the Page of Wands, ayaw lang taga magsalita, ayaw i-confront, or ayaw umamin. No? One thing's for sure, Aries, ang lakas ng pang-amoy mo lately. Uh, with the Nine of Wands, let's clarify that. No? There's a Nine of Swords and the Lover. So, ayun na nga. Kaya sinabi ko, na-stress tayo, yung pag-iisip natin medyo na, or yung emotion natin, no, it's actually mixed emotions. Things are piling up. Kumahal ka pa ba? Or probably this is you actually checking or asking a question. Is this the person that I am? You're now asking. Is this the person that I have to settle with, or to live for the rest of my life with? With the King of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Emperor, you are not actually bumibitaw yet, or wala ka rin planong bumitaw. You're staying. You might wanna give, kumbaga, you're preparing yourself for a battle. If in case totoo man itong hinala ko, or if in case totoo man itong aking mga uh, na no? At least naghahanda na ako, no? Either naghahanda ako ng mga papeles, kung sakaling kasal, what have you, no? So, this is your reading. Let's check. Aries. Ayan. So, kung meron po kayo mga katanungan much deeper than this, you know what to do, explain ko po yan mamaya. I love you back. I love you to the moon and back a million times. And I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So, what I am seeing here is ganun natin sobrang kamahal itong tao. There's nothing wrong with loving the person. And I feel like you're really wanting to give a good fight if in case that there is someone. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Your person, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. To confirm, I'm seeing Gemini, Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, uh, Capricorn, no? Leo is very dominant as well. Cancer, Virgo, uh, Scorpio, Aries. So baka kapwa Aries ito, no? So this is your reading, Aries. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi po kayo makaabot sa ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Aries, kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, no? Kung meron kayong mga katanungan much deeper than this at hindi kayo satisfied sa yes or no na sagot, punta na po kayo dun sa ating description box, click the link dun sa aking website, inedit ko na siya, mas madali nyo makikita. Pag click nyo, question form agad makikita ninyo. No? So, nandun po yung question form. Sa pinakababa po, nandun po yung amount, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a QR code for 4 questions plus 1. That's already discounted price. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So, Aries, tuloy pa rin yung manhunt, no? Please report those fake accounts, screenshot, send it to the designated email para manalo po kayo ng private reading. If you are looking for readings about exes. Dun po siya sa Facebook na, no? The Facebook account is Babaylan TV. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Aries.